Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Rumela and in today's video I'm going to show you guys last minute diya painting and diya decor ideas. These are very easy diya decor ideas and can be done within an hour or two. So without further ado, let's get started. So these are all the materials that you're going to need for painting. Obviously you're going to need some paints and a lot of white paints as well. Then for decor you're going to need some CDs, then obviously some diyas, fevicol, and whatever decor items you can get your hands on, like some sequins and all of that. And I also have quilling papers right here, and I also have a box of snacks because obviously we're going to do this for an hour or two and we're going to get hungry, right? So I just grabbed a snack while I was shooting the video. So the very first step is to paint your diyas white in color. Now whatever paints you put over the white painted diyas, they will look more vibrant and beautiful than the diyas that you do not paint white in color. So I always like to paint my diyas white first. It is like a primer basically. So I paint my diyas white, I leave them for an hour, and then I go ahead with whatever painting I want to do. So once your diyas are dry, the next step is to paint your diyas with whatever base color that you want. I'm going to go in with yellow, some blue, and just a lot of vibrant colors because I like my diyas to look really nice and vibrant. So when you light them, the colors just pop and it looks really beautiful. The first diya decor idea is paper fan diya. This is very easy. Just grab a rectangular paper. You can choose whatever color you like. I chose pink, and then cut it into 3 equal parts. Mine was 9 centimeter each. So make sure the pieces are nice and long, and then you just have to fold them like you see in the video. Just fold. And once you've folded all the 3 papers, all you have to do is stick the edges together and your fan will be ready. Now grab 2 pieces of a circular paper and stick it in the middle so that the fan is secured tightly. Now using fevicol, just stick your diya in the middle and you have your beautiful paper fan diya ready in minutes. The next diya decor is paper quilling diya decor. For this you'll need an old CD. Just paint it white. You might have to paint it twice or thrice, and then using the paper quilling paper and tool, just roll it into a basic coil, just a basic coil that will look like a flower. So I've rolled 6 pink papers here, and now grabbing a green paper I'm going to make a leaf. So you just have to roll again into a coil and stick the coil, and then just pinch one end to create this leaf like structure. You can create a lot of beautiful designs using this quilling paper. I just created a very basic design because this is very easy, and you can get it done in just half an hour. But you can check online for a lot of quilling videos, and this is the final result. I just sticked on the flowers, the leaves and the diya, and I really love how beautiful and vibrant this one turned out. This next one is sequence diya decor. You have to do the same thing, just paint a CD white, and then to add an element I'm just sticking on some pearls on the diya, since this is going to be like a very simple sequin decor. Just amping up your diya really makes it look nice and beautiful. I have stuck pearls on the middle by mistake, so I'm just taking that off, and yeah, just sticking all the pearls, and you guys can see it looks really pretty. Now just draw some fun patterns and stick on sequences. I'm using a tweezer for this purpose. It makes the whole process a lot easier and mess free. So yeah. And it's done. And the pearls do add a really beautiful element to this whole decor, and that is why I really love this. So this next one is a paper flower diya decor. Very pretty and easily one of my favorites. You have to take 2 sizes of paper. I took 3 sizes but ended up using only 2, so just take 2 sizes of paper and a round paper as well. What you have to do is just cut the petals into whatever size you want. Make sure the sizes are not really big, and then cut it in the middle and stick them together to make it look 3D, and then just stick them to the round paper, and then I'm just curling the edges, and then I'm going to stick on the small petals as well. And then just stick your diya in the middle. This one works really well for flower shaped diyas, so make sure you use a flower shaped diyas to make this one look really beautiful. So that is it, guys. Those were my very easy diya decor ideas using paper. This can be done in the last minute as well, because it just takes an hour or 2 to get done. And yeah, that is it. Hope you guys liked the video. If you did, then don't forget to give it a big fat thumbs up. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.